Play, let's play together. It is fun to play together. Share, share, let's share with friends. We are happy to share with friends. We are friends, we are friends. Princess, let's play together. Join us. No, I'm busy enjoying my candy. It smells good. Can we share? I don't want to share my candy. You are so selfish. I play with my favorite golden ball. Oh no! I dropped my ball. What should I do? If I could have it again, I would give anything for it. Princess, is this your ball? My golden ball, give me my ball. Let us live at the palace and be your friends. Then we will give this back to you. Okay, I will, I promise. Here you go. You ugly frogs can never be my friends. Wait, wait, you made a promise. Repeat. Open up, princess, don't you remember what you said? Open up, princess, don't you remember what you said? What you promised us? These frogs want to meet the princess. My dear daughter, tell us what's happening. They fetched my golden ball out of the pond yesterday. I promised to take them to the palace. I promised to live with them. I promised to be their friend. To be their friend. If you make a promise, you must keep your promise. Go and open the door for them. We are very hungry. Your Highness, do you have some bugs or worms? Frogs eat bugs and worms. Yuck! I can't eat with you. We only have 2 flies here. How come there are only 2 flies? Suddenly, I am not hungry. You two eat them. I am okay. You two eat. Let's share them. Ha ha ha. These frogs know how to share. Yes, they are true friends. Whatever, I don't care. Let's play together. Princess, let's play with your golden ball. Now, it's my favorite toy. Friends should know how to share. Let's share, princess. Friends should know how to share. Let's share, princess. Friends should know how to share with friends. Alright. Ha ha ha. I will drop the ball into the deep pond. Oh dear! Princess, how come you drop the ball into the pond again? Who will go into the pond and get it? I will. Let's all go together. Please don't ever come back. Are the frogs gone? I think so. That I happened that they would go away, but I am not happy now. I don't know why. I think I know why. Please think harder. I don't know. Open up, open up, open up, princess, don't remember what you said. Open up, open up, open up, princess, don't remember what you said, what you promised us. You're back! We are sorry that it took so long. It was really hard to find the ball. It was dangerous and we almost died. But we are all okay. You didn't have to do that. You are our fans. You are selfish, but you are our fans. I dropped the ball to get you away from me. We know. Then why did you get the ball from me? As we already told you, you are our fans, a very selfish friend. I am very sorry. Please forgive me. Oh my, what happened? Thank you, princess. We were enchanted by a bad fairy. A little friendship with a human being could save us. Now I know the true meaning of friendship. What is true friendship? Forgive my selfish friend. What is true friendship? Share toys with my friends. What is true friendship? Get a giver for my friend. That is true friendship.